Hello and welcome to my first tutorial video. My name's Chris and I'm a keen and knowledgeable Starcraft 2 player, so you know it's advice you can trust. This production will be based on the Terran race, giving a basic look into a starting strategy of a match. So let's get on with the video. First things first, creating SCVs is the most important thing in the game, as it will give you a resource advantage over your opponent and allow you to build more units and buildings. You should repetitively be building new SCVs throughout the game, as more SCVs give you more income. When at 100 minerals, you should be building your first supply depot with whichever worker is currently off the line or handing in its minerals. The hotkeys for building a supply depot are B and then S and then placing it down. Most Terran players prefer to wall off their base by creating their supply depot at the top of the ramp, placing it either side. While still creating SCVs, you should be working your way up to another 150 minerals, which should be gained as your supply depot is finished. So in turn you should be using the same SCV you used to make your supply depot to make your barracks. And this building creates your infantry and will help thwart any rushes. When your barracks is finished, you must fill the last gap in your round with another supply depot and be creating the lead marines in the meantime, along with additional SCVs. Once you reach this part, you should get 2 refineries on the best clean gas geysers and get 3 workers on each one to maximise your efficiency. This is the starting phase complete and you are now ready to expand your base further. Well, that's your economic phase complete. Now comes the military phase. This is where you will begin to understand the varying units and counter-attack that can be made. For example, a heavy air attack can be countered with a combination of Thors, Marines and Vikings, as all of these have strong anti-air attacks. Now back to the game. Tactics from here on are up to you. Standard build would be to now make a tech lab on the barracks and start making some marauders, and then building a factory and attaching a tech lab to that, and then building siege tanks and upgrading them with siege mode. In the starport and making some medvacs would be useful, and then going on to expand with another command centre to create higher income. You will be moving out to secure some ground. The way I would go from here would be to drop marines at the back of the enemy base and hit their workers to decrease their income. But after this you need to be prepared for a counter-attack by putting a few units or turrets at the back of your base to take out transports and get an edge on the enemy. I would also begin to start upgrading my units and get higher tech, such as getting an armoury and upgrading units and getting the Thor to take out enemies. Well, that's the end of the tutorial. I wish you the best of luck in the game and hope to see you in the Grandmasters League. Good luck and have fun from all the creators of this video.